Okay, let's go put this really quick card together. Oh, that's my star. Let me get the scissors and cut that. So that's your snowflake. And you're going to line him up so he's about center in there. If you have some tape, this would be a good time to use it. I don't. I'll just use this stuff. To give it hold in place as we go to attach other stuff. I'm just going to attach this one actually here on my table. I'm going to do the same thing with this one. Now take this piece, fold it along the score line. This piece should have been also folded on the score line. I can have it like that. You can do it like that. Well, like that. Okay, so this is going to be going right on top of this on the inside. So it's very important to stop and make sure that everything going the right way. So this is going to be inside of the card. So I'm going to put him like that, lining him out approximately where I want him. And I'm going to take this part of the card, go ahead and add the adhesive. Oh yeah, both sides covered, so I'm good. And make sure to line it over the circle or the cutout and over your snowflake. Scissors are here so that you can very carefully trim your threads. I can keep my thread nice and tight. That's okay, mine's going to be just hanging from the top. So you can have it so it just swings from the top, which means it's attached by just the top piece of thread, or you can attach the whole thing. So let's go ahead and put our greeting on. And we have this greeting. So that's the inside of your card. Just to keep things different, I'm going to offset this. But still keeping it in there. And then you just place it however and where you want to. So let's get a couple of pop dots. Put them on. That one just went flying. Just going to put them in place. Put your greeting in. And then I have this little teeny weeny cutout frame that goes along there. So just tape it up. Go ahead and add it to help hide the edges. Guess what? You're done. So you have just finished. Let's just get that back down there. You have just finished your floating star or floating snowflake. So yeah, that's pretty cool. So in order to send it, just push them down. Flatten them out. So don't forget to get the envelope done. And now that you got the card done, I should have taped it better, but that's okay. But now that you got the card done, go ahead and yeah, make many. Make tons. Very simple, very easy. Swinging snowflake card. Take care, guys.